Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'll tell you how you can make your very own Arduino car that is operated by a simple joystick using the L289n motor driver. So let's have a look at what all components are required in order to make this car. So first of all, you will require an Arduino Uno board, which will be the brain of this. Then you will require an L289n motor driver, a boost converter board. This is exactly not the one which you should use. This is a quite expensive one, but I did not have the one available which could actually be used. So I will leave a link to that board in the description. In case you want to replicate this project, use that board. And two 18650 lipo batteries are also needed to power everything. Control the car, we would definitely require an joystick and a chassis with two wheels. I have changed the wheels to yellow color. Connect the batteries to the input of the supply, output of the boost board to the Arduino and the motor driver to the wheels as well. According to the schematic, you can make all the connections. I have also written the joystick connections. In case your motor does not work the way it should, it moves forward instead of backwards, flip the polarity of the motor and check. And don't forget to upload the code before testing. The code is given in the description. In case you want to use the switch of the joystick, you can simply add one more read pin, which is a analog pin 3. Read that pin, put a if statement, and it is quite simple. You know you can do it. Also, I have links of everything in the description.